Hello everyone, this is out of the box unboxing, and in today's episode I will share with you some of my experience with this jigsaw, Parkside Jigsaw, which is 800 watts. You may see it's a lot, and I have to admit that this device don't lacks power. Power is more than enough, but after few days of using it, you might see it's still not a brand new, but you might see it's only a little bit dirty, but still it's okay. But this, how to call it, this foot, bottom part, it's actually tilted a little bit, and I've lost one of those screws, and this is also the reason why it's tilting. I don't know when it happened. I need to buy something similar just to keep it in place, but just look on this hole. In my opinion, it's quality of this device it's okay. It's good value for the money. I don't remember exactly how much it is, but I think it's like 20 something euros. I will just double check it and put it in the description down below. For your information, I'm not using the laser. I didn't use, not at all. So there is no batteries inside, and yes, in my opinion, what is most important, that this is a good tool for DIY, maybe some semi-professional usage. So my advice is to, if you want to, buy it and use it. This is the manual, but link will be implemented in the description below. But what else? I'd like to also share with you my experience. Where they are. Okay. They are here. So this packaging is, let's say, rather poor, but in my opinion they are rather good quality, and what is most important, I have started to use those saws that has been added as a part of the package. So I only used one or two for wood. I didn't use it for steel because I have also for steel, and they are, let's say, they are doing the job. This is an example of one of them that has been used quite a lot. You might see that this is a part where the temperature was high, and it's slightly, the edge is cutted by this part. And by the way, the differences between 0 and 3, it's significant. If you are on the 0 point, you are doing smoothly, precise cut, but 3, it's for bigger wood parts, and I can really see the differences in between 0 and 3. So, as a summary, what is missing, in my opinion, is the box. Not the box, but some plastic case. It's only, as you might see, a paper box, which is okay, but would be better to have some plastic case for that. I think I will in the future buy some standard case, but for the time being I'm keeping it inside of this standard box. So as a summary, if you like it, buy it. In my opinion, it's worth to buy. Good value for the money. Just remember to screw it, because in other way, like in my situation, you will lose the screw. But if you want it, buy it. You will be happy about this product. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.